In our last video, we interviewed Farmer Kola, who fabricates agro-machineries and uses the same machineries in processing agro-produce from the large expanse of his farmland. In today's video, we'll visit one of his processing facilities to see firsthand how these machineries are actually used to process different agro-produce to finished products.
You are welcome to, we call this place ICPU, Integrated Cassava Processing Unit. Understand? So here we produce Garri, high quality cassava flour, high quality fufu, and yam flour. So here is the receiving bay, where we receive our raw material. We receive from NIJI farm and at the same time from the outsource. So the moment the cassava is coming, it's going to the weigh bridge to determine the tonnage we are receiving, either from both parties, maybe NIJI farm or outsider. So once the cassava is loaded there, you can see the man is loading the peeling machine into the peeling machine, and at the same time the man is feeding. He's feeding the machine. That is the conveyor belt. It's taking the cassava right inside the peeling machine, inside. It's going inside. So as it's putting it inside, it's sorting it at the same time. You understand? It's sorting it at the same time. So as it's peeling it, it's washing it at the same time. And the peels is going inside the basin, as you can see.
Once they finish peeling,
it will be out. Yeah, inside that place, and they put it here. They will check those ones that does not peel well. They will check and perfect it. Yes. So now we are producing flour for today.
So this is flour production?
Yes, flour production. So after peeling, you grate. You can see that as it's peeling, it's washing it. So we don't need to wash again. But in some cases, we wash. We transfer it to this side and we wash. And we now take it to the grater. So this is the stainless grater. It grinds the cassava tuber into slurry form. Like the one I show you at the starch line, but those ones are heavy machine. So after you grate, you press. So this is the manual pressing.
So you used to have I saw automatic presser.
Yes, we have it here. So this is the automatic presser.
So this is automatic presser.
Yes. So this is the manual presser. So
you interchange.
You interchange
according to availability of light.
Yes. So now they're trying to dewater.
So
to move the manual presser to move the water from the grated cassava. So to become cake.
Once you become cake, what's the next?
We take it for pulverizing.
And all of this you do it within one day?
Yes, flour is 24 hours. It's a day production.
So that means what is it, fully automated or semi-automated?
This one is semi-automated. But the line I show you over there, now is fully automated. Understand? Because here now you can see that hand from one place to another, but that one you don't need more staff. Understand? But if it is Garri now, after we peel, you grate, you just bag for fermentation. So this is the sample we have here of Garri, sample of Garri. That is it. We are fermenting to make it sour, 3 to 4 days. So we have to repress. After repressing, we pulverize and we take it for frying. Sample. So this is Garri.
I can perceive Garri.
Yeah. So
I'm perceiving nice Garri.
So once the Garri has been pressed, it becomes cake. So we pulverize. So when you pulverize, you have to wet sieve to reduce the lumps you are going to realize from the Garri. So this is the wet sieve process now. So after you wet sieve,
stage now, what is stage now?
This is
Is this Garri or flour?
No, it's Garri, wet Garri, not fried.
Okay, not fried.
Yes.
Okay.
So these are the fryers.
So these are the automatic fryers?
Automatic fryer.
And you are the one that produces?
Yes.
Because I was told.
Yes.
And I also told that this insulator to make sure that it doesn't burn.
It's not burn. Yes.
Wow.
So
now we are seeing it in operation now.
Yes. So the source of heat is at the back.
So what do you use as a source of heat?
Is at the back. Diesel burner.
Burner. Is it gas or
fuel? Diesel burner.
So but can they use different sources of heat?
We can use gas. We have gas burner. There is some people use firewood, but you know we can't use firewood.
But this machine, can they use firewood?
Yes, some people can use it.
Okay.
Yes.
You can use all kinds of power source.
Power source, yes. But the stress of firewood, you know.
So once this thing grind, at what point do you ensure that the granulars are all removed, that it's fine?
Fine.
That your Garri very fine.
Fine.
How do you?
The operator in charge will know. But at this stage now, it's still wet, so you can see they are loading. So each of these fryer is 100 kg at a point. 100 kg.
Okay, that's the
capacity. So these are the ones they fry today.
So what do you want?
This Garri, dry Garri.
But you are not completing the process.
No.
But it is eatable.
You have to sieve it.
Sieve it before you eat it.
So you have to sieve it. Now we have lumps.
Yeah, have lumps.
With the Garri. So we are still going to sieve it. Yes. Bucket. You can see the quantity they pour, and you see the lumps that you got. So, and this is not of waste. We grind it.
We grind it again.
Yes. For the next production to increase the volume of the Garri.
Wow.
It's eatable.
Okay, and see how fine and this is.
Yes.
So it makes it uniform.
Yes.
This is what makes it uniform.
Yes.
But most of the Garri that is produced
locally,
manually, it's not uniform.
It's not uniform.
So but with your process,
you know, with the sieve has its own diameter.
Yes. So with this your process now, everything becomes very
uniform. Yes. Yes, fufu and flour. But presently we are doing flour.
Okay. So you can do fufu and flour.
Yes, we have 2 flash dryers. We call this machine flash dryer. It's one that dries flour up. So This is the white flour.
This is the wet flour.
You can say, you understand?
Yeah, wet.
So this is dry one. So and this is the final output milling.
So that's
Smooth.
So this is the flour now.
Yeah, this is cassava flour. I call it cassava flour. So this is the feeder.
Okay.
And that is
is feeder. This is the cake cassava.
yes, pulverized cake cassava.
Okay.
And that is the temperature control that the operator monitor for the dryness with the aid of this burner. Yes, this is the heat exchanger. So this is the source of the heat. And that is the hammer mill.
What's this?
Hammer mill.
How have you ensured safety that people don't get injured and all of that? You have safety measures.
Yes, we caution ourselves on that.
Well, I noticed it's not wearing glasses. That's why I asked. Well, you have those masks. Capacity.
Yeah,
You are producing
20 tons. 20 tons, yes.
Wow. Excellent. Good job. Well done. So when do you work, when do you close, when do you start with the close?
We resume 8 to 6.
So, but you also have volunteers working. They can do things like the coppers.
Yes, coppers, ITs, we do work. Yes.
Excellent.
I want to show you the packaging unit.
The packaging, yes.
Yes. We package yam flour. Yam flour.
Yam flour.
Yeah, you can see the label into 1 kg size. And in a carton, we have 8 pieces in a carton. So
The same place that you use for production of Garri flour, you use it for yam.
no,
Or you have yam
we
flour.
only send Garri or fufu in bags to Ibadan. They do the packaging at Ibadan, but only yam flour
That you package
that we
there.
package here. It's customized, NIJI Lucas. So now that is the loading unit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you load from here. Okay.
So this is where you pour the product. After you load it, you have to take it up to the organ. This is the organ here. This is the organ.
So the labeling are all inside.
Yes. So now, once the product is loaded there, I want to move it up here.
Okay.
So I have to. You understand?
So you move it up.
To move it up, come and see the movement. So now you can see this conveyor is taking it up.
Taking it up.
So if you want to discharge, I have to take it. See that it's coming back. It's coming back. You understand? So once the product is filled up, it's going to shut down.
Once it's filled up.
It's filled up, it's shut down, it's automatic. And you set your parameters to the machine and you start packaging. So it is the machine that is going to fill it 1 kg, it's going to seal it and you pack at the same time.
So what are you loading here?
It is the product.
The product.
Just load it.
Package it.
And to package it.
But you don't have automatic one that will load package from beginning to end.
No. You are the one that will load.
You have to load and then to package.
It's a package itself.
means beyond yam, you can also use it for other.
No, we can use it. We use for fufu, we use for Garri. We use for Garri, yes. But since we have another packaging machine at Ibadan, that's why we normally transfer to Ibadan to do some packing for us.
So basically your packaging method.
Yes.
This is not a story. So for those of you who want to actually partner with NIJI farms or ask them, allow them to set up your farms for you. So this is what we are doing this. You can see production, manufacturing at work.
Fermentation area for fufu, because you have to ferment. But for flour, you don't ferment.
So fermentation takes how long?
3 to 4 days. When you have your freshly,
fermentation that you now
you have to sieve.
Can I take it to the factory?
To the factory. So now, come and see.
At this point now,
it's ready for further processing now.
Okay.
So you have to chop the cassava and soak inside the water and leave it until it gets softened like this. Now this one now is 3 days now. So tomorrow now we have to sieve it.
It's ready.
Yes.
Now I can perceive fufu. So by the time you finish processing it, all the odor will be gone.
Yes. This is the starch line plant where we produce starch, automated line.
Okay.
So here is the flow chart for the procedure. As you can see, water, cassava root, sorting, washing, peeling, rasping, extraction, refining, dewatering, flash drying, bagging, and storing. Storing.
So you put this flow chart because it makes it easy.
Easy for.
So even if the manager is not
yes,
around, anybody else
can
know
take.
how to
Yes.
proceed. Okay.
So
run us through.
So this is the mechanical peeling machine that peels the cassava tuber. Yeah.
Okay.
At this point, you don't need perfect peeling.
You don't need perfect peeling because it's starch.
It's starch. Yes, they're looking for. So this is the inspection table.
Okay.
So you have to inspect so that stone will not get to the machine, not to cause damage to the machine. So and this is the conveyor that takes the cassava tuber to the rasper. It is the rasper that crushes the cassava tuber into slurry form. So, and these are the slurry pits. After the pit one is filled up, you extract. This is the extraction. This is the extraction unit. So from one vertical sieve to another before you get your starch, but not your V-starch. So you send to the second pit here. So by the time you get here, you have to pass through the sander to eliminate the sand that has mixed with the starch. So after that,
and does it eliminate it perfectly well?
Yeah, perfectly. But some might escape. That's why you have to pass through the iron strainer again. It is the sander we extract just only sand. But iron strainer we extract the iron from the any iron particle that is coming with the starch. And this is the refinery unit. These are the hydrocyclone that we refine to give you your pure starch. So after that,
that's the job of this.
The major of this hydrocyclone. So after that, you send it to the pit there. So from the pit to the centrifugal press. So by the time you are pressing, you set up your boiler outside. So and this is the heat exchanger. It converts the heat to steam because we only need steam for the drying. So once you are pressing, the water is coming out here with a little quantity of starch. So you send it back to the second slurry pit. From there, you send it back to the hydrocyclone. So there's
all of these things are done automatically.
Automated. No, it's automated.
So
after that, once you press, it becomes cake. So you discharge into the pulverizer. It is the pulverizer that the cake, the starch. So after that, you start your drying.
So you use the steam to dry.
You use the steam to dry. Understand? And you package at the same time and you sew.
Right there.
You
package and then you sew and then your starch is ready.
It's ready.
So what's the capacity of starch production here?
50 tons input.
15 tons input.
Yes.
Okay, that's what you get in here.
Yes.
And that's what can be processed in a day.
In a day.
Okay. Great. Great. I also noticed that you have lots of caution, proper labeling
Yes.
to know what is for what.
Yes.
So that
anybody that is coming
knows what to do.
what to do.
And so because this whole thing is automated, you also have less staff.
Less staff, yes. About six or 7 staff is okay.
6 or 7 staff.
Yes. Because here now for the flash drying, you only need 1 person here. For the packaging, 1 person is okay. For the refinery, you need 1 person is okay. Where you need people is outside. Load the cassava into the peeling machine. That's where you need about 2 to 3 people. Yes.
So thank you so much for watching. We have been in this factory observing how production and manufacturing happen in real time, not the ones you read on the book. All right, so here we've seen how starch has been produced, how cassava flour has been produced, how odorless fufu has also been produced, how Garri has been produced. So, and all of this, the beautiful thing is that all of those processes are automated. So for someone who wants to go into production, you have a partner you can actually work with. They have done it, they are currently still doing it, so you can work with them. Some of these machines, from what we learned, a few of the machines are imported and then modified to suit our own environment and conditions here. While some other machines, they actually fabricated and produced by them 100%. All right, so if you're out there, you're looking to go into production, you already know what to talk to. Check the description of this video, you'll find their contact there. And all right, just tell them that you got their contact through David, and hopefully they'll be able to work out some good pricing or contract or whatever you want to do with them in a very favorable way for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, share it so more people can get to see it, and I'll see you guys for the very next video. Thank you. So thank you, factory manager.
Yeah.
You Mr. what?
Adiola.
Mr. Adiola, thank you so much for walking us through. So Mr. Adiola have more than 9 years experience doing all of this, even though they look very, very young. He's a very experienced man. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, sir.